Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry beef the only way. Achieving tender, flavorful stir-fry beef starts with the right cut and precise slicing. We'll focus on preparing your ingredients meticulously, ensuring everything is ready before the heat hits the wok. This method guarantees a delicious and consistent result every time you cook. The secret to incredibly tender stir-fry beef lies in a simple yet powerful marinade. A blend of soy sauce, cornstarch, and a small amount of baking soda works wonders. This mixture helps to tenderize the meat and create a protective coating, ensuring it stays juicy and flavorful during the high-heat cooking process. Don't skip this crucial step.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
While your beef marinates, prepare your vibrant vegetables and the flavorful sauce. Select fresh, crisp veggies and cut them uniformly so they cook evenly and retain their texture. A well-balanced sauce, combining savory and sweet notes with a thickener, is essential for coating your stir-fry perfectly. This preparation makes cooking seamless. The key to a great stir-fry is high heat and quick cooking. Get your wok smoking hot, then sear the beef in small batches to avoid overcrowding, ensuring a beautiful crust. Once the beef is set aside, quickly stir-fry your vegetables until they are crisp tender. Finally, combine everything with your prepared sauce for a perfectly coated, delicious meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.